Today I'm going to give you our pollen patty recipe as well as a secret ingredient that helps ensure our pollen patties don't dry out in the beehive. Now for our recipe, today we're going to be using 8 cups of sugar. We're going to be using 8 cups of pollen patty or bee pro product, and then from there we're going to use roughly 4 cups of water and then our secret ingredient. Now, when I get ready to mix all of my ingredients, first I'm going to add my Bee Pro product, and then I'm going to add my sugar, and then I'm going to give it a good dry mix so it helps homogenize, because the Bee Pro product and most pollen patty products that are dry are a little hydrophobic, and so by mixing it in with the sugar before you add your liquids, that helps to ensure you have an even mixture of both ingredients. I'm going to add roughly 4 cups of water. This kind of varies a little bit. Basically, I want to add enough water to get the mixture to look like peanut butter. Don't hate me forever if you just used exactly 4 cups and it turned out a little watery, because you can always add a little more sugar and a little more Bee Pro and it'll be okay. Once we've thoroughly mixed our water in with our dry ingredients, now it's time for our secret ingredient. 1 cup of vegetable oil. Just like in a fudgy brownie, helps keep that moisture after it's been baked, or in this case, it's been sitting out in a warm beehive. Now that my mixture is like peanut butter and I put my secret vegetable oil ingredient in, I am then going to spread this out on parchment paper, and then I'm going to lay another piece on top. Like to see how we install these patties, please check out my pollen patty installation video at the end of this one.